Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a theme on Roblox application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Roblox application and log into your account with your credentials. Once you're in the home page, tap on the More button or the three-dot button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, click on Account Info from the Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the Theme option within the Account Info section and then tap on it. You will then be able to choose between light or dark mode, make your selection, and that's how you change your theme in Roblox. Your selected theme will be applied immediately. Whether you are a fan of the light, bright interface or prefer the calming, low-light look of dark mode, you can now enjoy Roblox your way. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gaming for Beginners for more Roblox tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.